Anong innovation could have helped solve the problem? Maybe you have thoughts on solutions on the part of electric cooperatives. Ano bang si Prof. Wally?
Yeah, yun, definitely kasi yung Siargao, isang linya lang talaga yung pumunta galing sa Surigao, ng Surigao del Norte, papunta doon sa Siargao. Isa lang talaga ang linya. No yan kapag ka nag-i-interconnect ka ng
Wala
island.
kang redundancy.
Oo, walang redundancy na tinatawag. So,
Tapos malaki pa yung Siargao, ang daming turista,
exactly.
diba?
So,
Ano yung solution? Strengthen.
hindi, dalawa. Gawa ka ng
Gawa ang dalawa.
Gawa ka pa ng isa
So
pa.
will that solve the problem?
Well,
or
that's one.
That's just one, right?
Yes, of course, oo. Kung may renewable energy sa loob,
In-island,
i-maximize yung renewable energy so that hindi ka fully dependent doon sa galing doon sa Surigao. Nandun ka lang sa Juan. So, yun, dalawang yung strategy na yun kailangan mangyari.
Actually, in-island generation, kailangan talaga yan ng Siargao. Rooftop solar, I think, is also a solution. Ang dami ng hotels or tourist accommodations in Siargao. Baka pwedeng mag-develop ng isang programa para matulungan din silang mag-embrace, di ba?
Incentivize them, no? To install rooftop solar. Ikaw?
And also, sa islands naman, ang tinutulak natin, hybridization of the diesel. Kasi bumagsak ng 10 beses na presyo yung ating solar PVs than how much it was 10 years ago. Kaya murang-mura na ang PVs ngayon. That's why it's viable for these areas to be not just 100% relying on diesel. Kasi integrate mo yung solar and battery.